Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sylvia. Remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications. So for this video, I'm gonna be creating a text font for 2022, and I created this by sketching it on my sketchbook, and then I transferred it digitally by taking a picture. I'm outlining the text with a pen tool on Illustrator, as you can see, which was very easy to do. So then I just did a quick time lapse of that, so then you're not bored looking at the process. On doing this on Illustrator, I move it to Photoshop for the coloring part, and just follow along, see which colors I used. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications. I wish you a happy 2022.